Today we will discuss the role of a project manager. The project manager plays a critical role in the leadership of a project team in order to achieve the project's objective. This role is clearly visible throughout the project. Many project managers become involved in a project from its initiation through closing. Means they will be involved in initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing process groups. A large project and an orchestra each comprise many members, each playing a different role. A large orchestra may have more than 100 musicians who are led by a conductor. These musicians may play 25 different kinds of instruments placed into major sections such as strings, woodwinds, brass, and others. Similarly, a large project may have more than 100 project members led by a project manager. Team members may fulfill many different roles such as design, manufacturing, and facilities management. Like the major section of the orchestra, they represent multiple business units or groups within an organization. The musicians and the project members make up each leader's team. The project manager and conductor are both responsible for what their teams produce. The project outcomes or the orchestra concert, respectively, the two leaders need to take a holistic view of their team's products in order to plan, coordinate, and complete them. The two leaders begin by reviewing the vision, mission, and objectives of their respective organization to ensure alignment with their products. The two leaders establish their interpretation of the vision, mission, and objectives involved in successfully completing their products. The leaders use their interpretation to communicate and motivate their teams toward the successful completion of their objectives. Let's talk about knowledge and skills. The conductor is not expected to be able to play every instrument in the orchestra, but should possess musical knowledge, understanding, and experience. The conductor provides the orchestra with leadership, planning, and coordination through communications. The conductor provides written communication in a form of musical scores and practice schedules. The conductor also communicates in real time with the team by using a baton and other body movements. The project manager is not expected to perform every role on the project, but should possess project management knowledge, technical knowledge, understanding, and experience. The project manager provides the project team with leadership, planning, and coordination through communication. The project manager provides written communications, that is, documented plans and schedules, and communicates in real time with the team using meetings and verbal or non-verbal. According to research, a project manager spends 90% of his time in communicating with the project team members, with the project sponsor, with the customers, with the functional managers, with the PMO office, and other people involved in a project. So let's talk about the role of a project manager. The role of a project manager is distinct from that of functional manager or operations manager. Typically, the functional manager focuses on providing management oversights for a functional or business unit. Operations managers are responsible for ensuring that business operations are efficient, whereas the project manager is the person assigned by the performing organization to lead the team that is responsible for achieving the project objectives. And you know that the project objectives are given in a project charter. So let's talk about a role of a project manager. Project manager is a person who will be involved to manage and lead the project activities, who closely work with the project team members and resource managers, sponsor, governing bodies, PMO offices, stakeholders, suppliers, customers, and end user of the product. The project manager leads the project team to meet the project objectives and stakeholders' expectation. The project manager works to balance the competing constraints on the project with the resources available. The project manager also performs communication roles between the project sponsor, team members, and other stakeholders. This includes providing direction and presenting the vision of the for the project. The project manager uses soft skills, interpersonal skills, and the ability to manage people to balance and conflicting and competing goals of the project objectives in order to achieve the consensus. Let's talk about the organization. The project manager proactively interacts with other project managers. As we have talked about, project manager does not work in a vacuum. He will be working in a functional organization, in a matrix organization, weak or matrix organization, or a strong matrix organization, or projectized organization. So the project manager proactively interacts with other project managers, other independent projects, or projects that are part of the same program may impact our project due to, but not limited to, demands of the same resources, priorities of funding, recipient or distribution of deliverables, and alignment of the project goals and objectives with those of the organization. Interacting with other project managers help to create a positive influence for fulfilling the various needs of the project. These needs may be in the form of human, technical, financial resources, and deliverables required by the team for the project completion. The project manager seeks ways to develop relationships that assist the team in achieving the goals and objectives of the project. The industry. The project manager stays informed about current industry trends. The project manager takes this information and sees how it may impact or apply to the current projects. These trends are, but not limited to, product and technology development, new and changing market standards, technical support tools, economic forces, influence affecting the project management discipline, and process improvement and strategies. Let's talk about the project manager competencies. In past, a project manager was a person who should have a complete knowledge in all processes of project management. All processes means 49. Now we have 49 processes. All 49 processes, for example, all 5 process groups and 10 knowledge areas. But now situation has been changed. While technical project management skills are core to program and project management, PMI research indicates that they are not enough in today's increasingly complicated and competitive global marketplace. Organizations are seeking added skills in leadership and business intelligence. Members of various organizations state their belief that these competencies can support longer range strategic objectives that contribute to the bottom line. To be the most effective, project managers need to have a balance of these 3 skill set. Whereas technical project management, the knowledge, skills, behavior related to specific domains of the project, program, and portfolio management. In leadership, the knowledge, skills, and behavior needed to guide, motivate, and direct a team to help an organization achieve its business goals. In strategic and business management, the knowledge of and expertise in the industry and organization that enhanced performance and better delivers business outcomes. As we know very well, in technical project management, we are talking about 5 process groups, 10 knowledge areas, and 49 processes of project management. Like it starts with the project charter, then we have to identify our stakeholders, then we gather requirements from the stakeholders and collect requirement process group. We produce 2 documents, requirement documentation, requirement traceability matrix. Then we summarize our requirement documentation into project scope statement. We also talk about what is excluded from the project, and based on the requirement documentation and scope statement, we produce work breakdown structure, that is the graphical representation of the project, and each and every work package is described and written in a work WBS dictionary. Based on these documents, we further decompose into smaller, more manageable components where we can assign resources, time, and everything. Then we sequence them, we prepare a network diagram, we find critical path methods, we find estimate activity resources, we find duration, and we realistically we develop calendar based schedule. Then what we do next? We work on to estimate cost, we work on quality, we identify our risk involved in different activities, and then overall we determine budget. So in technical project management, we work on all processes of project management, all 49 processes, but it is very important to know that each and every process, like 49, we have 49 processes. So in every project, not it is not necessary that we will be using all 49 processes. In leadership skills involve the ability to guide, motivate, and direct team. These skills may include demonstrating essential capabilities such as negotiation, resilience, communication, problem solving, critical thinking, and interpersonal skills. Projects are becoming increasingly more complicated with the more and more business executing their strategy through projects. Project management is more than just working with numbers, templates, charts, graphs, and computing systems. A common denominator in all projects is people, and people can be counted, but always remember they are not numbers. But in strategic and business management skills involve the ability to see the high level overview of the organization and effectively negotiate and implement decisions and actions that support strategic alignment and innovation. This ability may include a working knowledge of other functions such as finance, marketing, and operations. Strategic and business management skills may also include developing and applying pertinent products and industry expertise. Obviously, you will have to work with the functional managers, with the PMO offices. So, you must understand strategic and business management knowledge as well, along with the technical project management and leadership. Do not forget, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.